Hi everyone. This is Vladimir Gortsev. In this video, I'm going to show you how I made 2 trades on the non-farm payrolls news in March and April. Non-farm payrolls are the measure of the number of workers in the United States excluding farm workers. This news is released once a month. To make money on non-farm payrolls, I used the new strategy, which is fully described and demonstrated in my free course. You can find the link to it in the description of this video. If you feel like checking out this video right now, you can click on the link in the top right corner. The entire course is absolutely free of charge. It is a perfect fit both for clueless beginners and for those who are already making their first steps in the financial market. I executed transactions with the accounts of 2 companies. I will leave the links to them below this video. Both brokers offer free demo accounts for practice. As we can see, the market reacted sharply. It happens quite often when this report is released. Actually, I have been trading on non-farm payrolls for 5.5 years now, on a monthly basis. I have never made any losses over the whole period. 2 or 3 times the market just would not respond adequately. That's why I did not enter into transactions. All the rest of NFPs generated income. This economic event is capable of having a considerable impact on the market. As soon as a 1-minute candle closed on the price chart, I entered into a put for 2 minutes. These are standard conditions for the market entry, according to the rules of the new strategy. Even a slight correction of the market is enough for us to make money. The market was declining during 2 minutes, so this trade was trouble-free. In a few minutes, a new impulse emerged on the EURUSD price chart, which allowed me to enter the market for the second time on the same announcement. This was a 2-minute put option once again. This time the price was not in a hurry to reverse downwards, it kept on rising instead. The momentum by turns intensified and slowed down. The market price even ventured into the profit zone, but the transaction would close with a loss anyway. As soon as the $10 transaction closed with a loss, I instantly bought one more contract for 2 minutes but for $30. The momentum stopped developing, and the price movement showed a sideways trend on the chart. Toward the end of the transaction, the market price began to turn downwards. This is a fairly standard market reaction to a powerful price impulse resulting from the announcement of important economic information. The transaction closed with a profit, covering the cost of the first option and bringing gains. Now let's have a look at non-farm payrolls in April 2023. Almost immediately, a fast downward price movement appears on the price chart. Then I check out the charts of other currency pairs, but there are no favorable conditions for market entry in sight. The candle closed but the trade could not be made. Then I keep watch on the charts, tracking down a strong momentum for entering the market. The video is accelerated, so we are going to see the events unfold rapidly. By the way, on this day, stock exchanges were closed in many countries due to Good Friday. This sheds light on the response of the market not being strong enough despite the importance of the news. In the end, I managed to track down the price impulse on the chart of the EURUSD currency pair. As soon as another long candle closed, I entered into a call option for 2 minutes. The price fluctuated within a narrow range for a while, and then it continued the downward momentum. When the trade closes with a loss, I immediately enter into a 2-minute option but for $30. During the first minute, the market made an attempt to grow a bit, but in the end the candle closed almost without a body. The second minute showed a significant decrease in price. This time the third NFP transaction was necessary. I buy a call option for $90. I do not change the expiry, leaving it equal to 2 minutes. Let me remind you that in my trading, the expiration is increased starting from the fourth transaction, if necessary. You can learn more about how and when to increase expirations in my special video, the link to which is now available in the top right corner. The transaction is going to close with a profit now, generating a high income. Thank you for watching this video till the end. Please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my YouTube channel. I wish you successful trades.